Hello children, let us learn the sound of the letter O today. O says O. Okay, आज हम सीखेंगे letter O का sound. O says O का क्या sound है? O. O. Repeat again. O says O. Let us see how. Now all of you should लिसन एंड रिपीट आफ्टर मी. सब ध्यान से सुनेंगे और वैसे ही रिपीट करेंगे. ओके. ऑटी द ऑस्ट्रिच सेज ऑ. ऑटी द ऑस्ट्रिच सेज ऑ. कलर्ड लेटर पे ध्यान देंगे, हम साउंड सीख रहे हैं. ओके. ऑटी द ऑस्ट्रिच सेज ऑ. O says the letter O. O says the letter O. I eat an orange. Orange. An orange for Otti. Got it? Let's sing it. साथ में sing करेंगे आप अब मेरे साथ. Okay? Listen and sing. Otti the ostrich says O. O says the letter O. I eat an orange. Orange. An orange for Otti. Got it? Now practice it again and again. इसको बार बार practice करेंगे. Okay children? Next. Let us see the exercise. Tick the things that begin with the sound of O, that is O. Help Otti reach the field. Okay, let us see who is it. It is Otti. Otti, yes, it starts with the sound O, the letter O. What is this? Orange, right. This also begins with O. O sound, O letter sound, okay? And what is this, children? Yes, this is an ox. Again, O sound. What is this? This is an apple. Oh, this is A sound. So we should not go this side. Then let us see where to go. Oh, yes, there is an octopus. So this is also O sound. So Otti took an orange, met an ox, then all the way meeting octopus, then reaching the field. Got it? Okay. So speak O sound words. That is, the pronunciation of this is what? What is the sound? O. Okay. Happy learning.